All right, so now we're going to be going over our math lesson for 10-5. So you're going to notice that the only thing that is mandatory that you must green highlight, which means you must turn in for math, is going to be your digital quick check. So in order to do that, I think it's important for me to watch the video and to do the reteaching and practice pages. So I'm going to show you guys where all of those things are. However, the most important thing that you guys have to do today is do that digital quick check. So let's go ahead and let's open up Savvis. So you guys get to it by going to Google Classroom, clicking on your waffle, and then opening up Savvis. All right, from here, you're going to click on Envision Math California Common Core Grade 2. If for some reason it keeps signing you out, you just need to keep exiting out of these tabs and then try logging back in, and eventually it will work. So remember, as a reminder, if you ever have assignments that are popping up here, that means that you have not submitted it. So make sure you submit those assignments. So let's click on the frog. Again, we are on lesson 10-5. So I'm going to scroll all the way down to topic 10. And then I'm going to scroll down to lesson 5. And then to watch the video, I'm going to click on the I.
Here is part of a hundreds chart. What pattern is shown by the ones digits from left to right? The ones digits in each row go up by 1. Let's read the numbers. 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. If you start at 39 and move to 31, what is the pattern? The ones digits in each row go down by 1. Let's read the numbers. 50, 49, 48, 47, 46, 45, 44, 43, 42, 41. Here is another part of a hundreds chart. What pattern is shown by the tens digits from top to bottom? The tens digits in each column go up by 1. Let's read the numbers. 43, 53, 63, 73, 83, 93. If you start at the bottom and move to the top, what is the pattern? The tens digits in each row go down by 1. Let's read the numbers. 95, 85, 75, 65, 55, 45. Here is a different part of a number chart. Look at the first row. What pattern do you see? The tens digits increase by 1, but the ones digit stays the same. Let's read the numbers. 110, 120, 130, 140, 150, 160. What pattern is shown by the hundreds digits from top to bottom? The hundreds digits in each column goes up by 1. Let's read the numbers. 110, 210, 310, 410, 510, 610. Now you know how to find different patterns on hundreds charts.
All right, and so now before I take that digital quick check, while I'm here and looking at the video, I'm going to look through at the reteaching and the practice pages. So you remember, if you don't have your workbook, you guys can open it up like this. You can actually download it on your computer and open it up in Kami if you want to write it in like that. I also showed you guys yesterday how to open it up in Savvis so that you can annotate on your computer. So you can watch that Tuesday video, or you can print it out, or you can just look at it and then do it on a separate sheet of paper. All right. So remember, this is technically an optional assignment because it's not highlighted. So you don't need to turn this in or complete it. However, is it going to help you guys with your math lessons? Yes. So I definitely recommend that during that time for math time, when you have the time to do it, I recommend you guys completing it. And if you guys ever have questions, then you guys can always stay after class and ask me. Because technically, you're not on break sometimes when I take you guys to after class. You're just working on it independently. So if you guys have questions, then you should be staying so that you can ask them to me, okay? Patterns with numbers on hundreds charts. Pick a row on the top chart, read the numbers across the row. The ones go up by 1, 11, 12, 13, 14. You're adding 1. Pick a column and read the numbers from top to bottom. The 10s go up by 1, 110, 210. Wait, I'm sorry. Pick a column and read the numbers from top to bottom. Right here, 11, 21, 31. The 10s go up by 1. In the bottom chart, the hundreds digits from top to bottom go up by 1. 110, 210, 310, 410. Now look at the digits. Look for a pattern, write the missing numbers. So here it looks like 34, 33. So this must be 32. We know that because it's going down by 1. Here we have it going up by 1, 42, 43, 44. Let's see here. This one, if we're going in the looking at the column, 96, 86. So this is going down by 10. The 10s go down by 1, 76, 77, 87, 97, 78, 88, 98, etc. All right. So you guys would work on that. And then let's look at the practice pages. So for your practice pages, it's very similar. So write the missing numbers. So here we have 520, 530. So it looks like the tens digit is going up by 1. So this would be 540. 620. There's 2 missing. So I'm going to go by the column. So 520, 620. So it's going up by 1 in the hundreds place. So this must be 720. Okay, now let's look at this one. 540 blank 740. Okay, so it looks like it's going up by 1 in the hundreds place. So this would be 640. Now that we've answered these, we can do these two. So 620, 640. So the one in between would be 630. And then this would be 730. All right. So that is going to be how to do your reteaching in your practice pages. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to assign your work so that you can do your digital quick check. Now, to find your digital quick check, there's a couple places you can do. You can go to your classes and then find them under assignments. The easiest place to go is just go to home. Click on the home page and all of your assignments will be there. So I'm going to assign this now for you guys. Start it today and you'll have a week to complete it. All right, let's go ahead and check it out.
Which best describes the pattern?
145, 155, 165, 175. It looks like it's doing 10 more. They're adding one more in the tens. Which best describes this pattern? 197, 297, 397, 497. It looks like it's going to be 100 more. All right, what is the missing number? Can anyone tell me by typing it in the chat? What is the missing number? We've got 354, blank, 554, 654. So it looks like it's going up in the hundreds place. Russell put D, 454. Russell, you are correct. Let's give you a dojo point for that. Thank you for typing it in the chat. All right, next question.
What is the missing number?
Okay, what is the missing number, guys? We've got 5 blank, 539, 549, 559. So it looks like it's going up by tens. So we have to, in order to find this first number, we have to go down by tens. So it would be 559, 549, 539, 529. Very good. I see a lot of great answers in here. Awesome. Let's see. It looks like Sierra, Nathan, and Danica were my first 3. So we had Sierra, Nathan, and Danica. All right. Last question. Choose the missing numbers. Ooh, this is going to be tricky. Let's see. We have 360, 460. And so this must be 560. All right, so Ava says 560. Okay, let's tell me all of the answers. What are all of the answers going to be? Okay, next we've got 360 blank 380. So it looks like it's going up by 10. So this would be 370. And then we have 460, 470, 480. Now, which one is going to be the right one? Well, let's see. This one says there's a 350, and so that's not going to be it. So it can't be A. B has 370, yes, 480, yes, and 560. So it could be B, but let's check. 390, no, we had no 390, so it can't be C. 370, okay, 450, no, we had no 450, so it can't be D. So the best answer is going to be B. Very good, guys. All right, let's see how you guys did. I will give dojo points as well. Don't worry about that. Now, some of you guys have been exiting out once you've been getting here. If you exit out from here, you're not going to get your score back. You need to see that percentage. So you're going to submit your test. Once you get your percentage, that's how you know you completed your work. All right. After you've completed your work, you're going to do 5 minutes of addition and subtraction in BTBF, and then that's it. So we have about 20 minutes before our lunch break. So if you guys have any questions, I'll answer them now. Stop.